Good morning, Southern California, AM 1220 KHTS. This is a Santa Clarita Valley Business Chamber of Commerce Spotlight, and I'm with Shawn Faeth. Shawn Faeth is the Vice President and a Commercial Loan Officer with SCV Bank. Welcome to the show.
Thanks a lot. Glad to be here.
Longtime member of the Chamber of Commerce.
Yeah, we've been a member for at least, I think, 10 years that I know of.
Yeah, thanks for your support and thanks for all you've done in the community. And tell us a little bit about SCV Bank.
Well, Santa Clara Valley Bank was formed in 1988. It has 3 branches in Fillmore, Santa Paula, and Valencia. There's about $125 million in assets. We're well capitalized. Our capital ratio, Tier 1 capital ratio, which they talk about in commercial banks, is approximately 18%.
18% is a lot.
Yeah, it is. The standard that the FDIC uses for considering a bank well capitalized is 6%. So, and that's a little bit of a misnomer. Most community banks want to be around 10, 11%. So 18% is strong.
Yeah, 18% is definitely strong. A lot of credit unions I do business with on the consumer side is 8.5%, 9%, and that's considered strong. Let's talk about consumer lending versus business lending.
Yeah, consumer lending is things like home mortgages, personal credit cards, installment debt, like for a car loan. Those are considered consumer loans. We don't really focus on consumer loans. We're a commercial bank, and by choice, we're really not competitive in the consumer marketplace for loans. We're more competitive in the commercial marketplace. A commercial loan would be something like a loan for purchase of a commercial building, for a business, a line of credit to support working capital for a small widget manufacturer or the like. So, and we have commercial checking accounts at the bank that are non-interest bearing. By law, they're not allowed to bear interest, but if you carry enough deposit balances in our bank, we can make the accounts free by credits in the account to overcome the charges and the transaction fees.
Now, one of the things it says here as a vice president, you're also a commercial loan officer.
Right.
What type of loans do you specialize in? What are you seeing a lot of right now?
People are going back into the marketplace to buy commercial real estate is what I'm starting to see. People need also support for working capital, lines of credit for businesses to support payroll and things like that. I have 3 or 4 loans on my desk right now that are applications for purchase of commercial property for an owner-user business rather than investment property. A lot of banks do lending in investment properties where a guy goes and buys a property and he rents out all the spaces and collects the income and pays the mortgage and keeps the difference. We focus our efforts on what are considered owner-user properties, which supports the local business community because these people not only own the property, they work in the property. And for our history, we have found those to be more secure and better performing loans.
And let me just tell you right now, owner-user is a way to go because you have one pillar of your retirement set, and you're going to pay off that eventually.
That's right.
Great thing to look at. SBA.
Yeah, we're a PLP preferred SBA lender. We've been a PLP lender for many years. What that means is we can make our credit decisions in-house. We don't have to go to the SBA and get a yay or a nay on the loans. What we can do is we make our own credit decisions. The only thing that we go to the SBA for is we go to them for eligibility. They determine whether or not the loaner is eligible. And being experienced in this marketplace, we know when a person walks in the door whether or not the loan is eligible or not. It's a pretty simple qualification process.
And there is money out there to lend. There is money out there to borrow.
We are eager to grow our loan portfolio. We are actively seeking new borrowers in the marketplace. It is the place that we want to grow the most because we think the market is essentially bottomed out, and we think that the economy is starting to recover, and we see lots of opportunity out there in small businesses and places that we can make new loans.
Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Those looking to get additional advice, how can they reach you, Shawn?
They should call me directly at 661-255-9250 and just ask for me directly at the bank.
One more time?
661-255-9250. And I don't have a direct line at the bank. That's kind of intentional, so we have a more friendly, hands-on approach. Our operations staff will answer the phone. Our operations staff is absolutely terrific. They're the most experienced, knowledgeable, friendly staff I've ever been around. These ladies know every customer that comes in the door. They treat people just really well, better than any other bank I've been at. I highly recommend, if you have a commercial checking account that you're looking for a home for, that you come in and talk to Linda or Shannon or Anna or even Tanya or myself, and we could talk about opening up a commercial checking account. You don't need to come to the bank to borrow money. We also offer deposit products.
Oh, good stuff. So full service commercial or business bank.
Absolutely, no question. That's our goal, is to service the business community out here in Santa Clarita. All of Santa Clarita is our marketplace. We're looking to grow. We want to double in size in the next 5 years, and we see enormous opportunity in the Santa Clarita area. I actually think that some people that may have been treated poorly by some of the larger banks may do well to come in and talk to me, and I could have a free consultation with them. I'm there all day, every day, except for when I'm out on appointments. I'm eager to meet new people. We want to meet new people and make new relationships. That's how we grow the bank.
Thank you very much, Shawn. Shawn Faeth with SCV Bank, Commercial Loan Officer and Vice President.
Yeah, that's me.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. This is Fred Arnold, and you've been listening to and watching on the internet Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight on AM 1220 KHTS.
Are you